Is auto rotate not working on your Samsung phone? This issue can happen due to sensor glitches, software bugs, or incorrect settings. Auto rotate is important for watching videos, reading, and using apps in the right orientation. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable auto rotate. First, open up the quick settings panel. After that, tap on the lock icon from here. Now check your auto rotate. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Turn on rotate the landscape. Go to the settings, then scroll down. After that, tap on home screen. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll find the rotate the landscape mode feature. Just turn it on. Now go ahead and check whether it works or not. If not, follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Check software update. Go to settings once again. Now scroll down. Then tap software update. Next, tap download and install. If you have any updates available, it will start downloading automatically. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to settings once again. Then scroll down. After that, tap general management. Scroll down again. Then tap reset. Scroll down once more. Now tap reset all settings. Then tap reset settings. And again tap reset. Wait for a while. I hope this video helped you out. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching.